Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're revisiting the Vrissaki Hotel Apartments, not far from the beach at all guys, and I'm going to start it off here at the car park. It's a bank holiday, so it's quite busy today, and you can see the sea there. It's not too far away, look, just down through the car park. In fact, there's a walkway along the Flamingo Paradise, and we're going to go back up here along the Hicklety-Picklety path. It's a shortcut path straight into the lovely Vrissaki Hotel Apartments swimming pool. So conveniently located, as I said before, right on the main strip. The main strip's at the top, and that's where all the restaurants and the bars are, and we're down here. There's a kids area, and there's the slope up from the shortcut. So there's even a slope to the shortcut up the slope. Oh, it's very busy today. Look at this lovely pool out here, loads of umbrellas and sunbeds to choose from, and of course the pool bar and those amazing balconies. And, we'll be going on those balconies. Which way we're going now? Should we go that way? Okay, let's go this way, shall we? So here we are. Do you know where your room is, by the way?
Yes.
Is your balcony here? Where are you?
This one just here.
Oh, that one, the big one on the left.
That's the
oh,
one.
brilliant. I'm gonna walk up these lovely steps. I do like these steps, don't you? And they lovely and cool.
Nice.
And look at this. All these plants everywhere.
We've got some of this on our new villa as well. That
Oh.
we're moving to in Paphos.
Have you got a new villa?
It's not ours, we're renting.
Oh, are you really?
Yeah,
Because you've come over here to stay, haven't you?
Yes.
You have, and you've got this lovely camera, and I do believe it's an expensive professional camera. Tell us why you bought this lovely camera.
It's because we've just started our own channel.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so we're going to document our journey through Cyprus, yeah.
That's fantastic. So you're going to do, similar to us, you're going to do Cyprus only, is that correct?
Yeah,
Or,
yeah, Cyprus only.
yeah, or if you go obviously abroad like we did, we went on a cruise, didn't we? Well, you might take your camera with you, mightn't
exactly.
you? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
And do that. Then mostly Paphos, is that right?
It's going to be mainly Paphos, yeah.
Or tell us the name of your channel.
It's Nutters in Cyprus.
Well, that's easy to remember, isn't it? Fantastic. And what's your name?
It's Tom.
And you're staying here at the moment?
We're staying in this one. It's Vrissaki Apartments.
That's right. Let's go up to
Yeah,
your
let's go and
apartment and
have
have
a
a
look,
look.
yeah.
Is it neat and tidy up there?
It is,
Do you
yeah,
think,
the cleaner came
oh, the cleaner's been in. Oh, and if you want an authentic Cypriot meal, this is the place to go, isn't it? Oh, smell that. Isn't it beautiful? Can you smell that? It's a barbecue.
This one, is it
There it
Vangelis,
is.
this one?
This is the Vangelis, indeed.
Right.
It is, yes. It's beautiful.
We've not been yet.
Yeah,
but,
it's open all year round. It's lovely. Right, let's go to the front. This is the main road, guys, where all the restaurants and bars are. And here we are. There's the Vrissaki Hotel and Apartments. Now, how would you pronounce it?
Vrissaki.
See, we've got a professional here, haven't we?
Hey, funny enough, one of the people in the pool, he's married to the owner of the hotel.
Oh, there you are.
In the family of it, so.
Oh, and it lovely and cool in here. And it beautiful. Right, let's go up to your room. And this is a great idea. I've seen this in a few hotels. Like you can charge your phone. There we are. You've got all little chargers in here, I do believe. Yes, excellent. I think they've just arrived in quite a lot of the hotels. Good idea. So are you going to feature this on your channel?
We are, yes.
Brilliant, fantastic. So we've got it on both channels. How about that?
But I thought,
Why not? Now we've got 2 rooms, haven't we?
yes.
Fantastic. Actually, as you're featuring it on your channel, would you like us to walk through for us?
You can do yours if you want, George. I mean, you're going to
that's very kind of you.
I mean, you know.
Or are you going to do the commentary for us?
I can do the commentary.
Oh, thank you very much. So here we are.
Yes. So this is the television.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. So in the front room you get smart TV.
Oh, smart TV.
So
that's
you can get
good.
the YouTube for the kids and stuff like that. The one in the bedroom, however, is just Cypriot TV. So it's...
Okay, and we've got a convenient located, big, comfortable chair, haven't we? And of course, this is what I like about hotels: separate, conveniently located, comfortable chair where you can watch TV and you don't lie in bed watching TV.
That's the one.
TVs for comfortable chairs and the beds for sleeping in. And what we got here then?
That's the fold out for the two kids. The kids are on this, so.
Fantastic! Look at that. There's plenty of room there, isn't there?
Comfortable as well, you know. Yeah. And then obviously we've got the basics. So we've got the microwave.
Okay.
Fridge, freezer.
Yeah. Oh.
And everything else that we need. So.
Oh, nice cupboards, aren't they?
Yeah, got everything
we could do with cupboards like that in our house, where they flick up. And of course, you've got the microwave. So if you're out and about and you can't cope with all the food, you can get a takeaway and heat it up for the following day. And that's very, very useful when you're on holiday. And your tea and coffee making facilities.
Yeah.
And that lovely coffee machine.
They say they left these in for us as well, but we don't drink coffee, so.
Right, so you get all the little capsules as well for the
exactly.
machine. I do like that colour. Do you like that colour? Just ask the crew. Yeah, she's quite enthusiastic. Oh look, a pink kettle. How about that?
And you've got a little hob as
and
well.
a hob as well. So a nice kitchen with all the facilities. Let's go into your bedroom, shall we?
Yes.
Oh, look at this. Isn't it nice?
One good thing about the bed is it's not two singles pushed together.
Right, so you prefer one big bed, do you?
Big king size.
Yeah. Now I quite like the two single beds because you get a much bigger bed, but that is a massive bed.
But it's king size and it's memory foam mattress as well.
Oh, memory foam as well.
Really...
There you are. Brilliant. And loads of storage.
Loads of storage. We've got a safe as well.
Oh, you got a safe as well. Look at that.
£10 deposit for the safe.
Okay, that's fair enough, but you get that back, won't you?
Yeah, you get that back.
You get that back.
Yeah.
And of course, the TV in here is just for local channels.
That's local channels.
But we can get YouTube on the other one, can't we?
Yeah,
YouTube and all sorts.
Hairdryer as well, George.
Have you got a hairdryer there?
Comes with the room.
Oh, that's a good idea. Sit there and do your little hair and things. Of course, we don't need that, us two, do we?
I'm clinging on for dear life.
Yes, we are clinging on for dear life for hair. Now, this is a big bathroom, isn't it?
It's decent.
Massive bathroom. There we are. And you've got lovely fluffy towels
Fresh towels
everywhere.
every day.
Brilliant. It's a lovely, I do like it. Lovely and fresh. Look at that. Amazing.
Yeah. And then we've got the balcony as well. So.
Oh, yes, we haven't been out on the balcony, have we? Well, let's go out on the balcony and see what's going on. Oh, I see you've got some creatures in here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, yes. Where did you get him from?
Top of the road next to Super S restaurant.
Oh, you bought him?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? You didn't find him in the sea,
Yeah,
then?
not with
No?
Aphrodite we did yesterday, so.
He doesn't bite, does he?
No.
No, he's all right. You stay there. Oh, look at the view. Now, that's not a bad view at all, is it?
Perfect.
Big balcony, conveniently located, comfortable chairs. You can sit here and have your morning tea and a hobnob or slow beer in the evening, and then look at the view. You actually get a sea view, don't you?
Yeah, it's really nice.
It is lovely. And we can see the pool, can't we?
Yeah, and we've got obviously the clothes rack as well, which has been a godsend and all.
Yeah,
So,
clothes rack, very useful. Look
Yeah,
at that.
godsend.
Yes, excellent. You come back from the pool, you want to put all your pool bits and pieces on there, and look at that. You can see the whole strip. You can even see Pizza Hut from here. So if you did want to have a little slow beer, you can see people walking up and down. Excellent for people watching. Well, thank you very much, Tom, for doing that room.
Yeah.
And how many more days you got here?
Today we've got 4 more days left.
4 more days, and of course you're going to start off your new YouTube channel. Viewers know the name of your new channel.
It's not as in Cyprus.
That's right. So look out for his new channel. He's off to Paphos in 4 days' time. And let's finish the video together, shall we? Why not? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.